Pirates initiating attack because the Pirates was good also in winning second balls. And the Chiefs on the other end, they weren't winning second ball. So they tried the long balls. If the Pirates were a winner, then there's nobody to actually contest for a second ball, which means the Pirates initially, from that onset, they actually create a counter attack. If you look at the Pirates, they played more aggressive and on the front foot, but if you closely pay attention to that game, you could see that this is a transitional football. Yet abahambe manje. Abahambe sebehlala kakhulu. I'm not even going to get to how my goals were scored, because if you're going to push Umunyane up high and also Modi up high, you are left with three central defenders, which is Inisho Makel, Ukinika, Nomakath. That forces either Undobo Benoma Bowie track back and actually give Ido Kujane congestion in front of